Welcome to Mangaroos Tutoring Services video class. Indices or power. For this primary level maths, we will focus on squared numbers, square root, cubed numbers, and cube root. We will start with squared numbers. A squared number is simply the product of any number multiplied by itself. So 2 squared will be 2 times 2, 2 times itself, which is equal to 4. And we can see the illustration that in the box there are 4 circles. The second example is 3 squared, which is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Then we have 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. Then we have 5 squared, which is equal to 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Next, we have 6 squared, which is equal to 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. Then we have square root. So we can think of square root as the reverse of square. So for example, we have 4, the square root of 4. So we ask the question, what number times itself will give us 4? So we know 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the square root of 4 is equal to 2. Then the square root of 9, we know that 3 times 3, or 3 squared, is equal to 9. So the square root is 3. Similarly, the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 36 is 6. Now we will go on to cubed numbers. A cubed number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. Don't be mistaken, a cubed number is not a number times 3. So for example, 1 cubed is equal to 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. Then we have 2 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. And last example, we have 3 cubed, which is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. Now we will learn about cubed root. Cube root simply asks the question, what number times itself, then times itself again, will give us the number inside of the root sign. So this is how we write cube root. The root and the small tree outside of the root. So the cube root of 8, we know 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So the cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 cubed is 8. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something of value. Feel free to contact us for more of our teaching.